Hi friends, this is Beats for Homeo. This video is about second year homeopathic drugs and their provers. With this video, we can write for 15 marks or 2 marks or 5 marks and helps in the competitive exams. If you are new to this video, please subscribe. There are totally 50 remedies are given for the second year homeopathic Materia Medica. Coming to the constitutional remedies and the drug pictures in the second year homeopathic Materia Medica, there are 7 constitutional drug pictures: 1 Nux vomica, pulsatilla, argentinum nitricum and sulfur and calcareacar and lycopodium and thuja. All the drug pictures in the second year are proved by the Hahnemann. Only the argentinum nitricum is proved by the J.O. Muller. If any drug picture has given in the question paper is given for the second year, all the drugs were proved by the Hahnemann except the argentinum nitricum by J.O. Muller. Now coming to the injury group remedies. The 6 remedies: arnica, hypericum, ledempal, belly spur, symphytum and calendula. These injury group remedies for the 5 marks are 2 marks. The arnica is proved by the Hahnemann, hypericum by Herring and ledempal by Hahnemann and belly spur Burnett. For the symphytum and calendula, if you know the prover, please put it on the comment section. I will pin the comment. Now coming to the acute inflammatory group remedies. The aconite, senna, chamomilla, arsenic album, ipecac, spongia, drosera, auliencepha, apis, euphrasia are grouped under the acute inflammatory group remedies. And what are the provers for these remedies? In the acute group remedies, the aconite is proved by Hahnemann, senna is proved by Hahnemann, chamomilla by Hahnemann, arsenic album, Hahnemann, ipecac, Hahnemann, spongia, Hahnemann, and the drosera, auliencepha, apis, euphrasia in acute group remedies are drosera by Burt, auliencepha by Herring, apis mellifera by Browns and euphrasia by Hahnemann. The only acute inflammatory group remedies are not proved by the Hahnemann were drosera, auliencepha, apis, drosera by Burt, auliencepha by Herring, apis by Browns. And the next, in the second year homeopathic Materia Medica, the drugs only proved by the Herring are only the 4 remedies: 1 hypericum, and then first auliencepha, and third is calcarea sulf and calcarea phos. Calcarea sulf and calcarea phos are the biochemic group remedies. Only those 2 drugs in the biochemic group remedies were proved by the Herring. In the subacute group remedies, out of 15 subacute group remedies, 8 remedies are proved by the Hahnemann. Ruta and Rustux proved by the Hahnemann, and China and colocynth is proved by the Hahnemann, and these bryonia, heparsulf, trifilum, dulcamera are the respiratory drugs indicated. These 4 drugs are proved by the Hahnemann. We can remember as respiratory group remedies: bryonia, heparsulf, trifilum, dulcamera are proved by the Hahnemann. There are other remedies in the biochemical group remedies proved by the Hahnemann or magphos and silesia and natramur. There are some more remedies in the second year homeopathic drug Materia Medica. Those drugs are, each drug is proved by the each prover. There is some difficult to keep your logic to remember. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe and like. Thank you for watching and the support.